We're entering an era where even your web browser wants to think for you. Perplexity's new Comet browser promises to handle your searches, write your emails, book your tickets, and even summarize the web, all automatically. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the question. Do we really want our browsers to become autonomous AI assistants? In this video, let's talk about why browsers should stay browsers, and why giving too much autonomy to AI inside your browser might be the next big digital mistake. The web browser was meant to be a window to the internet, not a driver's seat. It's where you explore, you decide, you click, and you judge what's trustworthy. Over the years, browsers evolved. Faster rendering, extensions, password managers, even built-in translation, but the control always stayed with the user. Now, AI browsers like Comet are changing that fundamental design. They don't just show you the web, they interpret it for you. They act on your behalf. When a browser starts reading your emails, comparing prices, or filling forms automatically, it's not a tool anymore, it's a decision maker. That's a massive shift in trust. We're no longer asking, can my browser load this page safely? We're asking, can my browser decide what's safe, what's real, what's worth my money? And that's dangerous, because AI, no matter how advanced, is still guessing based on patterns, not truth or intent. The biggest selling point is convenience. Let the AI do the boring stuff. Let it summarize, book, and decide for you. But convenience always comes with a cost, and in this case, it's autonomy and accountability. Imagine your browser helpfully fills in a form on a phishing site, or autobooks a fake hotel deal it found in a sponsored dataset. Who's responsible? You? The AI? The company behind the browser? We've seen this pattern before, from autopilot glitches to algorithmic bias, when we hand too much agency to systems that don't understand context or consequences. The illusion of convenience hides the erosion of control. Then comes privacy. For an AI to assist you, it needs access to everything: your browsing history, your emails, your calendar, your credit card pages. That's an enormous amount of personal data concentrated inside one tool, a single point of failure waiting to be exploited. And when that tool starts to act for you, clicking, buying, logging in, it effectively holds the keys to your digital identity. A smart assistant inside your browser can quickly become a surveillance or attack surface if compromised. With Chrome or Safari, you're the driver. With AI browsers like Comet, you're the passenger, and you don't even know who's holding the wheel. Now, I'm not saying AI has no place in browsing. Tools like summarization, quick answers, or tab organization, those are fine. But the AI should assist, not act. It should suggest, not decide. The line between assistant and autonomous actor is thin, and once crossed, your web experience is no longer yours. The web has always thrived on human curiosity, not automation. So before we let AI agents take over our browsers, maybe we should ask, do we want faster clicks? Or do we want to stay in control? Because once the browser starts browsing for you, you might forget what it means to truly explore. Keep your browser a browser, not a pilot,